Hello and welcome back to History's a Blast for another in our Dutch oven cooking series. Today we're going to do a recipe in a 12-inch Dutch oven, chicken in rice with vegetables, which is available. Different recipes are available from all sorts of different YouTube channels. I'll share the ingredients that I've gotten, that I'm putting together in this one on the screen during the cooking. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, click the icon, and we'd love to have you subscribe. Well, here are some of the vegetable ingredients and the meat ingredients that are going to go into the chicken and rice dish that we're going to do in the 12-inch Camp Dutch oven here today. 2 big carrots, some fresh broccoli, a couple of green bell peppers, a couple of onions, Vidalia, some sour cream, chicken thighs, boneless, and leftover boneless chicken breast from a previous dish that we did, which hopefully I'll be able to do another video on. Here are the vegetable components broken down into their usable parts. I used both carrots, one of the bell peppers, both of the broccoli plants, and one of the onions. And we'll see if that's enough. I can always chop up the other pepper and the other onion, but I believe this will be enough for the 12-inch Dutch oven. So I'm starting out here with about that much olive oil. Looks like about 2 tablespoons, 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil in the bottom of the pan or the bottom of the oven, and I'm gonna take this up and I'm gonna spread it around the bottom and the side. So I just take it up here and swirl it around. There we go. Then I'm gonna take a sheet a little bit here, take a paper towel and work it around up on the sides. The inside, just have the inside well coated. This is one of the techniques used by one of the folks on the YouTube channel. The purists say never use paper towels, but you gotta use what you got. Alright, mixing a can of mixing a can each of condensed cream of mushroom with garlic and condensed cream of chicken with herbs in 3 cups of water with a wooden spoon. No metal on metal contact with this. You want to get it mixed up as best you can. It's a little chunky, but then it'll all dissolve out. And finally, a cup of sour cream. There we go. 1 cup of sour cream mixed in. Watch out you don't splash yourself. Look at this stuff. Smells like something sour. All right, so we'll mix that up and we'll come back. So after the liquid ingredients, the soup and the water is mixed together, you stir in 2 cups of rice. And I've decided to go healthy, and I went with brown rice. 2 cups of brown rice. And then you start adding seasoning and some other, and the veggies. So it says to add about 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. That looks about right. Mix that in. Okay, it starts to get soupy when you start really stirring the stuff up. And all the chunks are going away here now too. Okay, so we'll start adding the veggies. We'll put the carrots in. We'll put the carrots in now. Oops, splash, don't splash, don't splash. peppers will come on in there too, the pepper, sliced pepper. Okay, let's throw that in. We'll fill this in. Okay, let's throw those in. Oh, and the onion. I put that onion in there. Wifey won't be happy if there's no onions. Okay. Put this sliced, partially chopped Vidalia onion in there. Stir that up. Stir that in. I haven't put any seasoning in here yet. I'm going to put the seasoning on the chicken breast once I put them in here. Some people put garlic in there. I'm not a big fan of garlic. Maybe it's my Scots Irish and Pennsylvania Dutch roots. Stirred up, and we'll put some broccoli in there too. I'll put some of this broccoli. That's about 1.5 of the big broccolis that you get in the fresh produce section of the supermarket. Mix this all up. I don't want to get too deep here. I'm not going to have room for the chicken. There's the pot all mixed up before the chicken. Okay, we have 6 boneless thighs and 1 big boneless chicken breast resting on top of that bed. And it's been liberally seasoned with Cowboy Kent Rollins's custom-made Red River Ranch original seasoning, available from his website. And it's really good stuff. Really enjoy it myself, and I do not get paid for plugging this. So shout out to Cowboy Kent Rollins. Okay. Let's get this on the fire. I'll get the coals started up and we'll see you soon. Okay, so the recipe calls for cooking this or baking this for 1.5 hours at about 325 degrees, which for a 12-inch regular Dutch oven is 7 coals on the bottom and 16 on top. I like to plus everything up by 1 just for wind and quality of the coals and so on. So I put 8 on the bottom. There's a ring there, and we'll get the Dutch oven on here in a second, and then we'll get the ring around the lid, and we'll be on the way. So we got a ring of 8 on the bottom and a ring of 17 around the rim of the lid, and it's 3:45 in the afternoon, and we'll check back in 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to rotate the Dutch oven. I'm going to rotate it oven 90 degrees. And we'll rotate the lid 90 degrees counterclockwise. It's been 15 minutes. We do this about every 15 to 20 minutes, and what this does is this helps to offset the uneven heating of the coals so that you don't have a hot spot develop in one place and stay there. So we'll move it around every 15 or 20 minutes and come back and check things out. Okay, it's been 1 hour, and you can see I've been adding coals to the top and a few to the bottom as well. Let's take a look at what it's looking like inside. See, it's starting to bubble up a little bit. Chicken's starting to do up. Yeah, the bubbling is starting to happen. Yeah. Okay, looks like we're ready to go. That's a good boil there. I cut through the pieces. There's no pink inside. These are ready to come off. We've got it in the house now and plated up. There it is, the finished dish. Thanks for watching. Please click the thumbs up icon to like the video and share with your friends via email or social media. I'd love to have you subscribe, and if you do, please click the little bell icon so you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video. Goodbye.